I hope you enjoy following along today. We are in the city of Lecco along the shores of beautiful Lake Como. This area of northern Italy around Lake Como had been inhabited for many centuries before the city of Lecco was formed. It was officially formed when the walls were built around the city in the early 1700s. You'll see the tower, the base of this tower that we're going to climb today, is on top of what the original watchtower was when it was constructed back in the early 1700s. This is really quite interesting. We're actually going to go down into what was the ancient watchtower. At the time that this was constructed, it actually stood above the grade of the land, but it's been brought up over the years. This opening here was actually an area for a cannon for protection, but it's below ground considerably at this point. We're looking at the underside of the original watchtower platform. Now that we understand the foundation of the clock tower, we are going to start our climb. The first area we're going to stop is going to be what was the top of the original watchtower. And in the ceiling you'll see the holes that used to have the ropes that were attached to the bells in the top of the tower. The climb to the top of the tower is, we were told, 401 steps. I did not count them. And it makes this circular route around the wall on the inside of the bell tower. And I can't remember if it's 4 or 5 times. There's a platform, you can see one here above there, that we'll climb to, and then we'll take a little break and talk about the construction of the tower. If you're interested in climbing the tower, you'll find a link in the video description of the website for the tower. But I think it's really, when you first hear that it's 401 steps to the top, a lot of people may be intimidated by that, but we make these continual stops at each layer to catch our breath and talk a little bit more about the construction of the tower. So I don't think it's really all that challenging. So I'll just let you follow along, listen to the music, and enjoy the inside of the bell tower here in the city of Lecco. Once you reach the top, you have a beautiful view of the surrounding area. And if you're visiting Lecco, this would be a great place to come and get a perspective of the city and this part of Lake Como. Thanks for joining me today.
Can you hear the wind?
Yeah.
Ooh, the wind.
Hold on to your hat.
Yeah, hold on to your hat. Let me take it off. middle, so you have the wheel and you have the counterweight. Yeah. And you